So we're going to do maintenance, routine maintenance for the iRobot Roomba E5, which is done about every 20 runs or so of an hour and a half each. Our basic equipment: dust mask, COVID mask, whatever you want to call it. Rubber gloves, because this is obviously not too clean. Carpet knife. Flathead, big one, pretty big. Not hugely thick, but medium large size flathead. And about a medium size Phillips screwdriver, cross screwdriver, what do you want to call it? Okay, let's roll. We're going to take the wheel out. Just pop it out. And then we have a big wad of hair. In here. And toss that in the trash. And on the other side we have another huge wad of hair. Blow the rest of the stuff out, lay it on there. Boom. Rolling test. Okay. Then we're going to take the flathead and make sure that thing fits that screw head. This is an aluminum screw and it will bend if you use the wrong thing. Which is kind of sad because you can't replace it. Or not too easily anyway. If you get another screw that doesn't fit right, then it might damage the plastic under there. And why would you want to have a broken, not functioning Roomba, which is expensive, just because you damaged the screw head? It's going to screw a while for that to come out. Okay. So then we're just going to take the hair and fuzzies out. Weren't too many in there. Pop it back on. Take our big Phillips again, big flathead. Not too tight, so you don't want to break it. It's plastic. Plastic and aluminum, that's not a 2x4 and a wood screw. Be gentle with it. Be gentle or be sorry. And we're going to take the Phillips and give these about a quarter turn until it's snug but not too hard. And we're going to half turn, quarter turn or so. And a half turn almost. Remembering how we pulled these out. Take off the crap and the hair fuzzballs. Hold it the same way the whole time, so you don't forget which way you pull it up. Huh? Look at what we got here. We got a little piece of aluminum stuck in there, and a piece of paper, a whole wrapper. Can happen. I held it the same way the whole time, right? So the thinner green part is on the left, not the gray part's on the right. And the thin green part is what goes in there. Now you start out trying to put it in this one, it just doesn't go. You gotta pick it up 1/4 of an inch, spin it around, wiggle it, play with it, do what you gotta do, and it's in there. Take out the other one. Right side comes out first with the gray. Left side has this green thinner unit. Nothing else stuck in there. Put it back in. Pick it up 1/4 of an inch. And hope for the best. There it is. Get rid of the rest of the hair. We're done. This is a nice one. Still in really good shape. Push this button. Oh, I have all the things stuck in here. Okay, I'm going to dump that. Let's shake it a little bit. Some things don't continue to pass through despite the fact that it's actually vacuuming. They get stuck somewhere. Push the button, open this up. It's our dust compartment. This time, I'm planning on transporting this particular Roomba, so I'm going to wash this thing. So give me a minute, I'm going to pause the video. If I can. Actually, I haven't washed it yet, but forgot to say something. This filter, before you wash it, has to come out, obviously. So we're going to take that out. And you could take your regular vacuum and suck the extra dust out to prolong the life of your filter. If you only have the Roomba, you might want to, that's only once around every 3 months or so you're doing this. So you might want to borrow somebody else's vac. So now I'm going to take this thing empty without the filter and wash it. So since I'm going to be transporting this, look at how nice and clean that grill is in there. You probably can't see it, but not bad. Right. That's just so it doesn't get too itchy. This you don't usually need to do maybe once a year, so I would guesstimate even that much. But why not? You can get better suction power. The cleaner your things are, less resistance you have, more suction power. Then that needs to dry.